don't make fun of my toes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. Today, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna give myself a pedicure. Don't judge my toes. They look super crazy. I am pregnant and I am under quarantine at the moment. So I can't even go to the pedicure, go get a pedicure done. So I'm gonna do my own pedicure today. Again, don't make fun of my toes because they don't look cute right now.
All right, so here you got it, guys. Here's my toes before. Again, they looking crazy, but I'm gonna show you how to do a pedicure at home. All right, so first what I'm going to do is actually cut my toenails to the length that I want it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my filer and just file them a little bit. So my nail clipper and my filer is what I'm gonna be doing now. All right, so what I'm gonna do the same thing to my other foot, and then my next step will be to add some of this Dr. Teal's to a bucket with warm water. So here's my bucket. Just got this at like Walmart for like $2, and then I got this it's like something so soft for the water. And then I'll be dipping it in water for about 15 to 20 minutes just to soften off my skin. Alright guys, so my toes have actually been soaking for about 20 minutes now. What I'm gonna do next is actually push down my cuticles with this piece right here. I'm not really sure what it's called. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my cuticles with the cuticle cutter, and then just clean out the inside of my toe. You can use anything you have, like sometimes the nail clippers have that little thing in the inside, just to clean my toenail, the inside of my toenail. So I'm gonna show you that really quick. Just gonna do one, put my foot, I'm gonna do one, show you guys on camera, do the rest of my toes, and then I'm gonna dip that foot back in while I do the other foot. Alright, so I'm back, guys. I pushed my cuticles back. I went ahead and cut them up. And now what I'm going to do is I let it soak for a couple more minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and rub this around my feet. You can use anything that has like the something to detox your skin, or something with the little beads in it for like to take that skin off. You can use whatever. This is from Bath and Body Works. Detox. I'm gonna go ahead and rub that around my feet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this one of these like brush things for your feet, where it has like 4 different sections. You don't really need all of them. I'm probably just gonna be using both of these sides here. And then I'm gonna do one foot, and then we'll see the results after. just apply pressure like where you have dead skin. That way, this is just helping the dead skin come off of your foot. And I usually do it around my heel where I get the driest at, and then I also do it right in my the ball of my feet, and just to get all that dead skin off. Alright guys, this is the end of just getting a pedicure right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this off, do my other foot, clean that off. I'll show you the results of my pedicure once I rinse everything off. I'm going to show you before I apply polish, and then I'll show you whatever color I decide to like put on. Final result of my feet after my pedicure. Nicely groomed. I went ahead and added some Mr. Teal's oil, moisturizing oil. This stuff smells so good. I got this at Walmart, probably for like $4 or $5. I'm gonna go ahead and polish my toes now, and I'll show you guys the total end of it. Here's my final results after polishing my toes. Everything's all done. So this is what I've used for my polish. I used the Sally Hansen gel, the Miracle Gel, and then the top coat. It came in a set. I know you can get these at Walmart for like $7.50 a piece, like each, and sometimes they do come in sets. I'm not sure how much they are in sets at Walmart. I got this one from Marshall.
Alright guys, so that is it for my pedicure at home, but that is because it is April 2020 and we are under quarantine, and usually I go about a month between my pedicures, and being as though I was due for my pedicure, and then everything shut down. So right now everything is still shut down, so I had to do my own little pedicure. And also, not just that, I'm also pregnant, so it's really hard for me to like bend over. So I haven't done it sooner. I should have done it sooner, but I haven't, only because bending over kind of like sucks. It hurts, but anyway, but that's my story and I'm sticking with it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you for the next time, guys. Thanks. Bye.